Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. If you're like me and you've had orthodontic treatment or you are having orthodontic treatment with aligners, we have a retainer, you might find that over time these things start to crack, and during this lockdown period we can't visit dentists. Dentists are closed and our dental labs, so we can't get any replacement aligners or retainers at present, and we don't want our teeth to fall back into their old positions. So thanks to the guys at S4S, we have a retainer glue which can fix this material. It's a thermoglu material using beads. I'm going to show you very quickly in my own kitchen just how easy it is to do. So you buy the beads from the s4sdental.com website. The beads will arrive in a bag like this. You need to boil a kettle. You need to have a mug, or I've got a thermos coffee cup like this, and a spoon, and also a cup of cold water, nice and cold. Mix it in. Okay, so real time, I'm just going to show you very quickly how to fix this retainer. So a few beads into the water, literally a third of a teaspoon, probably 10-15 beads, not many at all. You'll be surprised how far this stuff goes, and you can use it for lots of other things as well. It's great around the house. Okay, so boiling water into the mug. Leave it in there 10-15 seconds. You'll see it starting to turn from a white material, you can see it in there, to a clear material very, very quickly. Okay, so once it turns that way, you'll find it sticks to your spoon quite easily. Get your retainer, make sure your retainer is nice and clean and dry in the area it's cracked, and literally tear off just enough, so the 5 piece size. Cover it, press it on the cracked area and a bit beyond, like so. You can see it's nice and clear. Pop it into your mouth. Smooth it with your finger. Push your cheek again, see if you wish. Make sure it's not sharp. Leave it in there about 10 seconds. I'm just going to show you now, for the purposes of this video. If you leave it in your mouth for about 10-15 seconds, it starts turning back to the white material. I'm just going to pop it now into the cold water. Make sure you put it into the cold water, not the hot one. And you'll find very quickly that that material starts turning white again. Once it's turned fully white, that's set, it's done. If you find it's not quite in the right position, you could probably carefully peel it off again. It won't have stuck completely, it'll stuck just enough to hold it in place. But if you need to redo it, you can peel it off and redo it again. If you find the retainer is cracked on the other side as well, do one side at a time. Just do bit by bit, okay? This will see you through until you can get back to the dentist and get some retainers made again. So you'll see there, look, it's nice and white, nice and smooth over the area where it's had a crack, and it should feel nice and comfortable to your cheeks and tongue. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact info@s4sdental, and we'll be able to talk you through any tips and techniques for using the Thermoglu retainer repair material. Many thanks for watching.